Welcome to our channel, your ultimate destination for luxury cars, stunning camper vans, and amazing adventures. Discover the freedom to explore without limits with the Airstream Interstate 24X. Designed for those who crave adventure, but refuse to compromise on luxury, this camper van perfectly blends rugged off-road capability with 5-star comfort. Whether you're heading into the mountains, forests, or deserts, every journey becomes an unforgettable experience with the Interstate 24X. Built on the reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, this van is powered by a robust 3.0 LV6 turbo diesel engine and equipped with advanced 4x4 off-road capability. Its bold and aggressive exterior styling, enhanced by all-terrain tires and premium LED lighting, ensures a commanding presence on every road and trail, making it ready to conquer any challenge nature presents. Step inside, and you'll find a world of pure luxury. The interior features plush leather seating, a modern kitchenette with solid surface countertops, and a stylish wet bath that brings the comforts of home to the open road. Every inch of the cabin showcases Airstream's legendary craftsmanship, offering a cozy yet premium living space designed for relaxation and elegance. The Interstate 24X is built for adventure without sacrificing independence. With integrated solar panels, powerful lithium battery systems, advanced infotainment, and state-of-the-art safety features, you'll stay powered, connected, and protected even in the most remote destinations. This is off-grid living made effortless and luxurious. More than just a camper van, the Airstream Interstate 24X is a lifestyle choice. Whether it's a quick weekend escape or a cross-country expedition, every trip becomes a luxurious retreat on wheels. It's designed for those who demand the best and refuse to settle for anything less. Experience the ultimate fusion of adventure and luxury with the Airstream Interstate 24X. Like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking 8K luxury van tour.